Good afternoon, folks. My name is Hansi, aka Switch, DJ Switch DMV from the Bconnectaz. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Atomic Desktop Wallet on your computer and how to receive Bconnectaz tokens, so BKTZ tokens. Let's begin. So what you want to do first is open up a Chrome browser or a tab, right? Open up a tab and type in atomicwallet.io, atomicwallet.io, right? Hit enter, and that'll take you to their page, which shows the different versions of the Atomic Wallet desktop application. So I have Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and download the Windows version. Once I download it, boom, I'm going to go ahead and install the program, and then wait till it comes up. Once it opens, I'm going to go ahead now create a new wallet. So go ahead and click on the button to create a new wallet, and then after that, we're going to need to create a new password, and we're going to need to back up a 12-word seed phrase. That 12-word seed phrase is custom in case you need to restore your wallet if you lose your password. So manually write that down somewhere, save it, enter. It's going to load all of the tokens, tokens such as Link, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a couple other tokens as well. So you'll be able to see all the coins and tokens that exist. And if they're not on there, I'll show you. This is what I'm showing you, how to add the ERC20 smart contract and for it to appear. So BKTZ is a token written on the Ethereum mainnet. And once what we need to do now is open up the wallet. There's a tab on the left side. Click on that. It says wallet, and you'll see all the coins come up. Right? BKTZ is not on there yet, so we're gonna need to add it manually. So to do that, we click on the top right. There is a little gear settings button. And then it pulls up a new screen where you want to enter, it's asking for a contract address. So we're going to need to find the Bconnectaz BKTZ smart contract address, which is a 0x address, right? So to do that, we're going to open up a new tab, type in blockchair, blockchair.com. So blockchair.com, that one opens up. And now on the search box, type in BKTZ. Hit enter. It should be the only one that comes up, and it is Bconnectaz. So once we click on that, it should open up an Explorer page for the Bconnectaz token Explorer, so you can see who sent what, who. So the source and destination of the tokens, how many tokens, when, the timestamp, all that good stuff. So we want to add the smart contract, the 0x address, copy, highlight that. Now let's go back to the Atomic Desktop Wallet, and right where it says smart contract address, paste it on there, and then that'll automatically fill in the ticker and the decimal precision for the token, right? So it'll come up with BKTZ 18. That seems right. So we're gonna hit add tokens, and boom. Let's go back and click on the wallet list so we can see the coin list again, and then scroll all the way down. It's all the way down to the very bottom. There it is, BKTZ, 0 balance right now. I want to click on that token, open it up, and now it's got 2 buttons, send and receive. We want to receive tokens, right? Because we have 0 right now. So click on receive, boom, and then here we go. This is your personal BKTZ Ethereum 0x address, what they call it. So you want to copy this address here, and you want to send this address to us. And this is, again, is the ERC20 smart contract, which you can do with a lot of other contracts. So thank you guys for watching. Also, check us out on IG, Facebook, and Twitter. And I just want to mention one more thing. Check the description out, because there is a way to use the same Atomic Wallet in your mobile phone, which is a lot easier, actually. It's pretty straightforward, user intuitive. You can't go wrong with it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.